Ladies and gents, we are here again sa ating podcast. We're gonna be talking to, of course, our guest. Actually, tayong guest.
Yes, yes.
Now, why don't we go ahead and...
Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk. We have Ate Annabelle. Nakilala ko siya through IIA, which is Ilocano Irish Association. And then she messaged me selling tickets. Alam mo naman, dito sa Ireland, siyempre, benta-benta ng mga tickets kung ano-ano. But actually, ate, we met na pala before.
Yes.
Yes, and that was the Independence Day in 2019.
Okay, before that, we'll have some...
Yes.
So, ate, why don't you
Yes,
introduce
okay.
yourself
Who
to
is
our...
Annabelle?
Yes.
Yes, my name is Annabelle. I've been here in Ireland since 2002,
Wow.
Okay.
January
Wow.
2002. And originally, meron akong kunting kabuhayan sa Philippines noon. And
Okay.
then, it so happened na parang naloko ako
Okay.
ng
Oh.
business partner ko. And then, nag-start na, sabi ko, I think I want to go to Ireland.
Wow.
Oh. Okay. Why Ireland? How did... Kasi hindi kilala ang Ireland.
At that
Yes.
time, at 2002.
Yes.
If you ask about Ireland, people will... Even now, actually, people would
They don't
still...
know. They don't know much about
I
Ireland.
think they started opening. Ireland started opening up for immigrants, for
Okay.
workers,
Okay.
and then it so happened na andito na yung kapatid ko noon.
Ah.
Kaya siya yung nauna.
And is she working here na?
He was working here.
Okay.
Yeah, he was working here. And then, sabi ko, kunin mo na ako dyan.
Oh.
And then that time talagang nag-down na rin yung business ko noon. Kaya sabi ko, I really need something, pangkabuhayan.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oo.
I had 2 children, and then that time my husband was very sick as well.
Oh.
Yeah. And then, okay naman yung negosyo namin noon. Merong medical laboratory.
Okay.
And then, at the same time, yung business namin, nagbebenta kami ng mga gamit sa laboratory, like mga reagents,
Okay.
mga instruments,
Okay.
ganyan.
Mm-mm.
So, until meron akong sub-distributor.
Yes.
And then, kumuha sa akin ng mga gamit sa laboratory. And then, hindi na niya ako binayaran.
Oh.
Tinakbuhan ka,
Tinakbuhan
ate.
ako. Pero, during the time, nagbibigay pa rin sa akin noon naman ng cheque. Kasi
Tumatalbog
nakapangalan. No, nakapangalan sa akin yung cheque, which is Jamaica Marketing, which is the name of my business that time. And then, lately, and then eventually pala, since doon siya sa, sa Nueva Ecija, sa
Okay.
Bicol, ganyan. Kasi, doon lang ako sa Metro Manila that time. And then, ang ginawa niya ngayon, parang nagbigay siya ng circulatory letter telling the clients na nag-iba na siya ng business name.
Okay.
So, yung business name na yon ay nakapangalan sa kanya. So, lahat ng mga checks payable supposedly sa akin through Jamaica Marketing, napupunta na sa kanya.
Oh, and guess what year was it? What
That
year?
was-
2000,
That was
the
nag-start.
2000s or
Yeah,
90s?
2000 actually. Year 2000, yes.
And then, luckily, na tulungan ka ng brother mo to come here.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and then you started working as ano dito, ate?
Nag-start muna ako as a nanny kasi that was
Oh.
very, very easy for
Of
you.
course,
to
yeah.
come.
At that time,
Alright,
2000.
so
Yes.
talaga, mabilis ang nani
Yes.
noon. Oh,
Ang
imagine na.
bilis. Oo, kumbaga parang, kunyari, i-apply ka ng employer mo, wala pa, weeks lang.
And they don't even look for experience or qualification.
Not really.
Oh
Yeah,
no,
because
because
at
it's
the time
not your talaga.
Yeah,
Imagine
it
from
wasn't.
being a businesswoman into nanny, that would be a really difficult.
different.
Oo.
Completely different talaga.
Oo.
Kumbaga parang,
And then to come here in Ireland to mind someone and then leaving your children, which is ilang taon sila noon.
my children were only 9 and 10.
Oh,
9
very
and 10,
young.
yeah.
Very young, yeah.
And then,
Yeah.
they were left with nannies.
Imagine,
Tapos minsan
ano,
dalawa,
oo.
ganyan.
Yeah.
Oo.
And then, andun yung husband ko, but he was very sick then. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, and then you mentioned nga, 'di ba, very sick siya. So, nung ilang taon ka na dito sa Ireland bago na pumanaw yung mister mo?
I came here January 2 or 3, 2002.
Okay.
And then, namatay siya February 12, 2004. Yes.
Oh, that was quick, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
did you manage to go home, ate, nung namatay siya?
Yeah, actually, I went home on December 2002, and then he wasn't feeling well that time then. And then,
So that was a big decision to go abroad din, dahil you know na may sakit siya.
oh yes.
Did you feel guilty nung time na yon na leaving him?
I think that time, yes and not. Yes, dahil, siyempre, bilang asawa, dapat
Of course.
ako mag-aalaga sa kanya.
But at the same time, you need to support him.
Financially.
Yeah,
Financially.
financially, yeah.
Because that time, nag-down na talaga
Of
yung
course.
business namin.
Oo,
Yeah.
and that's magastos, no?
Yeah.
So, pero sa Pilipinas, yung mga makikita, no, pagka sa Philippines, kasi yung ating health system,
Yeah.
ibang-iba talaga compared to Ireland. Diba? Parang pagka doon, pag may sakit ka, all gastos is yours.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Like, in and out siya ng hospital dati. And then, yung gamot lang niya, wala namang free sa atin.
Wala. Yeah.
Lahat, every kembot mo, kailangan
Gastos,
bayad,
labas.
gastos.
Oo.
So that's very tough, no, ate? Imagine, that's still young. I think you're still young that time, no?
I
Nasa
was.
early, ka lang, no?
Muna natin,
40s.
bakit?
Sorry. And then,
Yeah.
yeah, and then and even how was it bringing your kids here?
Oh, you know what?
Yes.
They were refused 2 times.
Okay, at that time.
Samantalang namatay na yung asawa
Oo.
ko, it would have been easy for me to bring them over.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Kaso nga lang, sabi nila, how can I support them?
Yes.
Which is true naman siguro.
Yeah.
Dahil that time, I was already a carer at the time.
Oh,
Yes,
nag-upgrade na
yeah,
si ate nung nakuha mo sila.
Yeah, and then
Yes.
after that pala, before
So
that
when you
pala,
were a nanny, hindi mo sila makuha or healthcare assistant ka na din nun?
No, not yet. Kasi they were, well, my husband was still alive.
Oh,
Okay.
at that time, yeah.
So I left being a nanny at the 2003, I think 2003.
Yes.
And then 2004, I started being a carer.
Yes.
Community health care.
During that time, do you have to study as a healthcare assistant?
I did, yes.
Yes,
Was
ayun.
it,
Just to,
is it always a must na
It is
kailangan talaga that time or parang pag-experience mo pwede ka nang kung ano yung experience lang konti
just
tapos
to
go.
yung for our viewers na
Oo.
para malaman lang nila na hindi ka alam mo yun, you need qualification even before na mag healthcare assistant.
Ganun ba yun?
Well, during the time, pwede kang pumasok.
Okay.
Kahit wala kang qualification. Kaya lang, during that time, gusto kong mag-aral din. Kasi iba dito sa Ireland eh. Kung mag-alaga ka, ng tanda, kailangan, alam mo yung ginagawa mo.
Yes, of course.
Like, sinong tatawagan
Oo.
mo.
Yung mga first aid.
Yeah, mga first aid, ganyan.
Mo din,
Alam
yeah.
mo
Oo, yung community health care, tapos yung mga provisions and practice, and then
Okay.
communication, then how do you deal with the patients, kailangan talaga kung ano yung gusto nila, yun yung susundin. Hindi ka guys sa Pilipinas na kung ayaw nilang uminom ng gamot, kailangan ipilit mo.
Yeah.
But
Dito
in
hindi.
here,
Hindi
hindi
pwede.
pwede.
Oo.
You know yourselves.
Of course,
kasi,
yeah.
yeah.
Oo.
So,
And then what year mo nakuha yung mga anak mo, ate?
2006.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
2006, yeah.
masandali lang din, ano?
Yeah, but they were refused twice.
Oo.
Yeah, so
Did you use any lawyer or you just reapply and
no, I
reapply?
reapplied again and again, and then
It was okay.
yeah, and then when I heard that
you got
approved.
approved.
They got approved. I said,
Oh, that
thank
was like
God.
parang, ano siya, na nabunutan ng tinik.
So,
Parang ganun.
ano yun, te, hinanapan ka ng chinek din yung bank account mo, and then dapat may bahay ka, mga
Kasi
ganun.
Yes.
as far as we
So,
know
even
now,
before.
as far as we know kasi medyo mahirap na, di ba?
Oo, like you,
Kailangan meron kang ganitong amount talaga.
depende
Yeah.
how old they
Oo.
are.
Yes.
Like,
Yeah.
for example, if teenagers, I heard, you need about 7,000 each. So,
Yeah.
imagine if you have 3 children, that's 21,000 in your bank.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
And how,
Yeah,
yes.
that's-
Yeah.
Yeah.
And but
Yeah.
then if they are only small, I think parang
Maybe 2,000.
2 to 3,000, I think.
Yeah.
So it depends how old is the children.
Really?
Oo, ganun na kahirap.
Wow, during that
Iba
time,
na.
wala
As long
silang-
as you have a job at that time, and probably, yeah, well, you need to have like a money. As far as I know, if my memory serves me right, about like 2,000, you can bring your family here at that time.
Oo.
Wow.
I'd say.
Oo.
But now it's like
Yeah.
per
Yeah.
head.
But you know, it wasn't really a prerequisite for you to be able to bring your children over.
Okay.
They didn't ask me about money.
Okay. Oh, it's
How
about.
much money? did I
Yes,
owe
it's not like
bank?
that.
Oh, okay.
So it
Hindi.
wasn't
Walang
monetary.
ganun,
It
wala.
wasn't. No.
They probably just check your
Financial.
bank account, ganun
Yeah,
na may
maybe.
pumapasok or may savings
Yes,
ka,
yes, for
ganun
as long
lang.
as you're
But
working.
not
Yes.
like yung tawag dito, yung exact amount. Walang ganun,
Yeah,
ano?
wala.
Now it's
Oo.
like,
Oh,
like
very,
that,
very,
isn't it?
very.
strict na sila.
And
Oh, really?
even if
Yeah.
you put yung kunwari bigla ang money, they
They
will
won't
ask
accept.
why.
Oh, yes.
Accept it.
Oh, yes.
Because you can just borrow it from somewhere.
And then
and
take it off.
Mhm.
Yeah. And then ate, what was the challenges nung nandito na sila? And nung nandito na sila.
Kasi alam naman natin na
Oo.
na dito walang tayo nag-aalaga ng ating mga anak,
Yeah.
'di ba?
You know what? I'm very lucky kasi hindi sila, they weren't wanting what we call that, like I want this, I want that.
Oh,
They
yeah.
weren't the
Hindi
wanting
sila
children.
okay.
And they're already teenager na nun.
They
Hindi
were,
pa.
okay.
13? Mga ganun?
No, at 12 and 11, I think.
Oh my.
Yeah, they were only
Still
12 and
young,
11.
no?
But you know, I never had any problem with them kasi marunong silang tumulong. Alam mo naman dito sa Ireland, walang katulong.
Yes.
And then, pag dinesignate ko sa kanila yung trabaho nila, o marunong magluto, marunong maglinis, mag-hoover. Yeah, they know kasi alam nila yung hirap ng trabaho ko rin. And then, marunong sila talagang tumulong.
Responsible sila.
Very responsible. At saka, hindi sila
Matured,
yung...
no, ate?
Very matured sila.
But I find
Oo.
it a lot of like kids na nasa abroad. Well, when I mean abroad, away from the Philippines, mas marunong gumawa ng yung mga trabahong bahay kumpara dun sa mga bata na nasa Philippines.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Like I find it like it's amazing that ganun nga.
Because in here, they don't have any
Yeah,
choice.
there's no choice.
Oo,
Yeah.
natututo.
Wala tayong katulong.
Yes,
Oo.
yeah.
Pero I think nagkaroon din ng change sa kanila, sudden change, kasi nung doon meron silang
Nanny.
inuutusan, may
Oo.
nanny sila. Pagdating dito, they were shocked talagang.
Yeah,
And then
okay.
they saw siguro yung paghihirap mo din na kayo
Oh,
lang.
Isa.
Yung
Oo.
kayo
Nakita
lang.
nila.
Oo.
Yeah, nakita nila yung hirap ko. At alam ko yun ang pinangalagahan nila eh.
Oo.
And then they studied very, very hard as well. And then talagang never, not even once, na nagkaroon ako ng problema sa kanila. I'm very, very
that's
proud of
good.
them. And then my sister
Kulang ka.
had a cancer.
Oh.
And then she stayed with me.
Oh.
And then I worked day and night.
Mm.
And then during the night, my children had to look after my sister. And then the following day, wala na yung mga anak ko. They went to school already. And then, magluluto pa ako ng breakfast ng kapatid ko, ganyan. And then, I bring him to the doctor. May mga kapatid ako dito, kaya lang may mga works din sila. Sa akin kasi nakatira. And then, but bago siya namatay, tumira sa kapatid ko for, I think, nearly a month. Yeah, maybe just to give me time as well.
But still, ate, no, if you look into it, maswerte ka pa rin kasi ang dami mong relatives pala rin.
Yes, yes.
Oh, ilan ate? I'm just curious
Okay.
kasi ako, every time na may namimit ako mga Pinoy na nakasama nila yung mga sister nila, mga sisters nila or mga brothers nila, parang wow, sana all. Oo, alam mo yun, kasi like Don, wala siyang relatives dito and me wala din.
Ako,
Oo, wala
Kami
ate.
lang.
Kaya pag may mga nababalitaan kami, na dito, punta ako sa ate ko, ganyan, yung kapatid, wow, alam mo yun, at least meron kang, family
Oh,
support
yes.
pala.
I have a brother and then 2 sisters. Well, my other sister was here as well. Kaya lang, she went to the US in 2005.
Okay.
And then my sister was here way back in 2007. And then she died in 2014. And then another sister and family and another sister. So I have 2 sisters at the moment and 1 brother and their families.
I think dito sa Dublin and then Kildare, marami talaga yung mga magkakamag-anak.
Yun ang napansin
Yes,
namin.
yun ang napansin namin. No wonder, close kayo rito. And kasi kami, nag-uusap kami ni Don, bakit yung mga taga-Dublin, gustong-gusto nila sa Dublin? Ang mahal dito, ate.
Yeah.
And compare sa Waterford, talagang makikita mo na kanya-kanya, na wala silang, well, recently, nagkakaroon na sila ng mga kamag-anak. Oo, recently. But our first 10 years, walang masyado.
Wala
Rare,
talaga.
very rare yung may kamag-anak.
Yeah.
Or yung may mga kamag-anak is galing silang Dublin.
Yeah.
Lumipat sila. Ganun ate. And then ngayon, medyo dumadami na, no? Ganun yung, yung
I think
pattern.
yung iba nagagaling dito sa Dublin because ang mahal-mahal ngayon.
Oo, ganun. Yun ang challenge talaga ng life dito sa city.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Oo.
yes.
But now, I kinda understand it na. Kasi before talaga lagi yung, ba't sila nag-i-stay sa Dublin? Ang mahal-mahal.
But anyway, sa tingin mo, Te, anong significance ba na kailangan meron tayong community sa within like Filipinos?
Para lang sa mga viewers natin na hindi kilala si ate. Ate is very passionate about community, about serving the community. And actually isa si ate sa vice president.
Ipagsalita natin si Ate. Kasi kayo
In-explain ko lang. In-explain ko lang para malaman nila na si ate is isa sa mga vice president ng IIA. So iyon natin.
Yan, nakala ko ipag-guess natin.
Hindi, gusto ko lang nila.
Okay, sige, si Ate naman. Okay.
Yeah, actually in 2013, naumpisahan itong IIA. Sumasama ako sa mga meetings, pero at the same time, that time kasi lumalala ng sakit ng kapatid ko. Kaya, hanggang sa namatay. So, umalis muna ako. Hindi muna ako naging active. And then, 2016, Elsa called me kung pwede ako mag-MC. So, doon na nag-start. Nag-MC ako doon sa Independence Day yun eh. That was 2016. Ilocano Irish Association at saka Lumad.
Oh, yeah.
So,
I heard about that.
Yeah, so ako pinag-MC niya. And then 2017, during the election, kinuha niya uli ako kung gusto kong mag-vice president. I said, yeah, it's okay. Sabi ko ganun. So, that was the start, 2017. And then, okay, maganda naman yung aming organization kasi pinapag-integrate namin yung mga Ilocanos dito sa Ireland. And hindi namin alam na marami din pala. Mga Ilocano.
Nagulat na lang din kayo na ang dami pala.
Yeah.
Oo. Sa ngayon natin, ilan may idea ko kung ilan na ang members ng...
I think more than 300
More than
na,
300.
less than 300, something like that. Yeah.
And magkakamag-anak po sila lahat. Hindi naman.
Hindi
Yeah.
naman, oo.
Biro lang.
Marami akong kapatid, well, 3 yung kapatid ko dito, kailan lang sila nag-member yung iba.
Hindi
Yeah,
din
yeah.
nag-member. Oo.
Pero, marami din naman hindi pure Ilocano.
Na
gusto-
naka-join.
na-
That's
nag-join.
So, pwede naman ganun pala. Or parang ganun ang nangyari.
Oo.
So, nagkakaroon ng integration at only Ilocano. Pero may tiga Pangasinan, may Lumad, ganyan. Yeah, so,
Because we know naman na ang mga Pilipino talaga, we like to join community. Yung ganun.
Yes,
Oo.
yes.
Currently
Na
kasi
magkaroon
pag sa Dublin, medyo laging may event parati yung IIA.
yeah.
Kaya namin naman kasi nalaman din dahil nga every time may IIA parang ganun eh. Pero paano ba tayo yung unang meet up ninyo ni Ate? Kayo bang nakita ba tayo? Nagkita tayo?
Yeah,
Paano
yeah,
ba
yeah.
tayo?
So,
Ano ba yun?
Yeah.
So like what I've said nga kanina, nag-message siya ate, binentahan ako ng ticket. This year lang. And then,
Pero
nagkita tayo ate, 2019.
2019,
Pero hindi ko
yes.
siya actually matandaan dahil ang daming tao.
Alam mo kung bakit kita natandaan?
Hindi, anong meron sa 2019 na yun?
Philippine Independence Day.
Philippine
Ng-
Independence
Si ate yung pagaling natin.
Ako po yung guest, sorry.
Okay, si ate.
Oo.
Okay, malakas
That
po
was- That was the Philippine Independence Day, sponsored by the Filipino
Oh, yes.
Council of Leaders.
Yes, that was
Yes.
like with Vicky. Siya
Yeah.
yung parang nagsalita dun. Siya pa yung president dati.
Yeah, siya yung president na,
Ay,
yeah,
pala yun.
yeah, si
Okay.
Vicky, yes. And then, I was downstairs kasi I was waiting for John Borton.
Okay.
Siya yung in-invite kong guest noon. So, inaabangan ko siya. And then, may dumating na talagang stand out ang
Oh.
beauty niya. I still remember ang ganda-ganda yung kanyang Filipiniana attire.
Yeah, okay, yes.
Yeah. And then, so yun. At saka yung gwapo niyang
Oh, naman,
husband.
guys,
Oo.
So, kaya sabi ko gano'n, wow. Sabi ko, tapos mixi pang buhok mo noon. Sabi ko,
That was your black, ano?
No white.
no, white.
White.
Oh, white.
I made,
That was
uh,
black.
White
I
Filipina.
made that ate.
Oh,
Oh, you
yes.
did?
Yes, yeah, I
She
made that
did that. She
Philippine.
made that.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah, I'm Ilocano ate, I'm kuripot.
Ang sabi na
Oh, I made that.
Stand
Ayun
out
pala,
ka
oh,
talaga.
ginawa niya.
Oo.
Yes.
Yeah, and then nung makita kita, sabi ko, wow, she's really, really good. And then, nag-start na lang na, nag-appear sa akin, sa aking
Facebook?
yung mga podcast nyo.
Oh, I see.
And then, pero kilala ko na kayo. I think,
Before.
nakausap ko na rin
May
kayo.
nakausap
ate,
tayo.
oo.
Yeah, and then sabi ko, and then nung recently nga, binentahan kita.
Oo.
Hello, dear. Hello, Laura. And then, tama naman na sumagot kayo. Pero, hindi ko din alam na hindi ako makaka-attend.
Okay.
Kasi, birthday
Oo.
month ko yun. And then,
Oo.
hindi ko alam na nag-book na pala si Tom. Papuntang Italy for 3 weeks.
And,
So,
yeah.
hindi ko muna sinasabi sa inyo kasi I felt guilty.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oo.
Nagbebenta ako sa inyo and then wala ako doon.
Oo,
So,
oo.
sabi ko,
Ayan.
saka na lang pag malapit na. I'm sorry
Yeah.
about that.
It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, we went there.
It's really nice
We
na.
enjoyed naman talaga.
And then,
yeah.
she invited us for, ako nang po ulit magsasalita. Then you invited us for your birthday doon
Yes.
sa cruise.
Cruise.
Yeah.
Na hinilo tayo nung
Grabe yung alon doon.
alon. Yes,
Very
yes.
wavy siya.
Yeah, but we did enjoy that. And it's yung parang nakakatuwa lang na we met ulit. And then it feels so natural na, uy, alam mo
Parang
yung
tagal
masarap.
natin
Oo,
magkakilala.
ayan yung ganun. So nakakatuwa and then you invited, lagi ka nga nag-invite na
Yeah.
pumunta kami rito. And then
Yeah.
finally,
Finally, we're
nandito
here.
na kami.
Right?
Kaya
Yeah.
talaga, and then ipinaghanda tayo ni
Masarap
ate ng
po
masarap
magluto
na
si ate.
food. Kaya
Yes.
alam na every time na
Yes.
magsa-Dublin
Diba?
kami. Ayun, so ate loves cooking and then gumagawa siya ng mga reels.
Yes.
Yan, ipopost natin yan.
That's one of my passion.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
So, yun, nakakatuwa lang talaga na you meet someone once lang and then it feels so
Nag-click
natural,
tayo.
no? It feels so natural lang na, uy, yung parang ang sarap lang, walang halong ano ba, kung ano man. Yung parang it's just natural.
It is.
It's
yeah.
just natural.
Kumbaga parang nag-click
Oo.
tayo kaagad eh.
Oo.
Yung parang we message each other.
Oo. I think it's
ganyan.
just because we're both friendly.
Yes.
Ilang taon ka ate nung na-meet mo si Tom?
2005? Yeah, 2005.
Nakita mo rin siya kaagad.
Nakita niya
rin
ako, oh.
nakita ka rin.
Yeah,
Yes,
nakita-
no.
Si ate nakita. Ikaw
Oh,
ba? Ikaw
sorry
naman, oh.
naman. Sorry naman.
Nakita.
So, okay. So, hindi ka rin matagal na balo na nabakante ate. Nabenta ka agad. Oo. Oo, that was nice, no? Kasi, I think it's still different na meron kang partner eh.
Yeah.
Ako para sa
I
akin,
think
iba
so.
yung iba yung may partner kayo na
Yeah,
nandiyan.
I think kapag if you're going through bereavement, di ba parang you feel like malungkot ka, parang, di ba yung process ng
Oh, healing.
bereavement,
Oo.
Yes.
ang tagal. But then, malungkot ka eh, pag ganun. And then I have 2 children as well. And then, hindi ko naman well, that time I was working day
And
and
you're
night.
still
so-
young, 40s, that's still young. Oo. Eh, that's the
42.
time na yung gusto mo rin talaga ng merong nagmamahal. Ayun, oo. O, di ba? That was lucky na nakita ka nito.
Yes, of course. Siyempre.
Oo. Ano? And then the rest is history.
The rest is history. Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah, he's very nice naman. And talagang siya yung talagang father figure ng mga bata.
Oo.
And they really respect and love him naman. And he's really, really nice.
So ano na kayo? How long are you married na ate?
Well, we are partners.
Oh, partners din. Oh, you're not.
Not yet.
Oh,
Yes,
talaga,
yeah,
te.
yeah.
But it's been a while. Yung mo makita yung relationship na,
Na it
kumbaga,
doesn't
Yeah.
need, ano,
yeah.
marriage, no,
Yeah,
na
it's only on
mag-bind
paper,
together.
diba? Parang
Yeah.
pagka
Oo.
magkasundo kayo, yun talaga ano doon. As long as you're happy
Oo.
together.
As,
Ganun yun eh.
yeah.
Oo,
As long
that's-
nagkakaintindihan, andun yung
Oo.
pagmamahal.
Oo.
And, sabi nga nila, marriage is only a paper.
Yes,
But
that's
then,
true.
I think the relationship is the most important
Most
there.
important.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, that's
So,
nice.
he's my travel
Buddy.
buddy.
Oo, so ate is just enjoying traveling na lang.
Yeah, travel.
Oo.
Travel lang.
Oo.
Yeah. Ganun nga, kapag, I think, kapag dumating na sa age natin, o kaya kung talagang nakahiligan mo talaga ang pagta-travel, talagang you won't stop eh.
Oo.
Especially pag nakita
Especially
mo mga
ate, kung
countries.
ano naman, kung tawag dito, wala ng commitment ba na yung nag-aalaga ka ng bata.
Yes.
And it's just you and Tom. You can, especially here in Europe, di ba, ang bilis lang.
Oo, mabilis
Mag-book
lang.
ng ano, like, hey, let's go weekend sa ganito.
Yeah,
Ayun,
yeah.
kasi every time na makikita, oh, si ate, wala na naman.
Yes.
That was really nice. Oo.
Yeah, sabi nga nila, travel, habang kaya mo pa. Kasi, I remember when we were in Rome.
Mm-mm.
So, pumunta kami dun sa dome, dun sa taas. More than 300 steps yun.
Oo.
And then, I think that was 2016, I think. So, umakyat kami. Kung nakailang beses kami huminto, samantalang bata-bata pa kami. And then, yung mga mas matatanda sa amin, dire-diretso sila. Sabi ko gano'n, nagtingin ang kami ni Tom. Sabi ko, what's going on?
Yeah. Kumbaga, ano, kaya
So,
mahirap nga, ano eh, pagka medyo may edad ka na talaga,
Yes.
tsaka mag-travel.
Yeah.
Oo.
Pero we enjoy traveling na lang.
Oo.
Yes. yes.
It binds you together.
Yes.
Yeah, hindi lang yun talagang it's, I don't know, we love to see the world then.
Oo.
Yung balik natin dun sa, para sa inyo ate, yung community ba ng Filipinos or any community sa isang lugar na hindi ka naman dun pinanganak, gaano kahalaga yun?
Sa tingin ko, dahil andito na ako sa Dublin, I think this is my home na rin eh.
Yes.
Kasi since andito na kami, andito na yung mga bata, I was here 21 years, sorry. Kumbaga parang na-adapt ko na yung Ireland as my home.
Your own, yeah.
And my own. So, parang doon man ako sa Pilipinas pinanganak. Kaya lang, since andito na rin kami, parang eto na rin yung home ko.
Yes.
So, nung nag-join ako sa IIA, andun yung passion ko rin na makatulong sa mga tao, sa community. Kasi nag-volunteer din kami doon sa outreach program, ganyan. And then, sa organization namin, marami ding mga projects na kami. Like, kahit dito sa Ireland, both Ireland at saka sa Philippines. Kasi kapag may konting funds kami, yun ang ginagamit namin parang makatulong sa, depende ko anong project ang gusto namin.
Oh, yeah.
It
So,
is
ate,
good
ano ang masasabi mo doon sa, kasi ngayon ang dami talagang dumarating, mga bata, na medyo, I find it difficult na ma-encourage sila mag-join sa community. Ano ang may ma-advise mo na sa kanila?
I think firstly, they came to Ireland to work. I think, lalong-lalo na, mahal ang bayad ng bahay,
Yeah.
mahal ang bilihin, ganyan. And then, I think nag-adapt muna sila. Kasi, kapag mag-join sila kaagad, siguro time
Wala pa yung
wala pa
puso
silang mga
nila,
time.
no? Siguro nga ganun, dahil wala pa yung sa
Wala pa
puso.
silang sa time, oo.
And especially yung mga kabataan ngayon, they're more into traveling.
Yes.
Nasa ganun pa silang process. Na all self satisfaction, like traveling, going out. Maybe when they all settled and then that's the time.
Yes, and another thing I think is because kami ayaw kong sabihin yung mas matanda. mas
Young
nauna
at heart.
Mas nauna kaming pinanganak sa kanila.
Okay, that's
Gusto ko
true.
napakinggan yun.
Diba?
Oo.
Siguro parang wala muna silang, wala sila siguro
Wala sa
nakikita
oo.
na kasing age group nila.
Yeah.
Yung, alam mo sa atin kasi, sa napapansin ko kung ano yung age group mo,
Doon.
they
Doon
mingle
ka,
each
yeah.
other.
Yes, yes.
Samantalang dito, no matter what age, kung ilan yung age gap, parang they talk,
Yeah.
they become friends.
Oo.
Yeah.
Sa mga parties, ang nakikita mo nag-uusap, matanda tsaka bata. Sa Pilipinas, matanda lahat. Kagaya
matanda
ngayon,
lahat,
kapag
oo.
may mga parties, mga bata na saan? Andun sila. Tayo
Yeah.
na magkakaedad.
Oo.
Well, hindi
Totoo.
magkakaedad.
But ako, I'm always old dati kasi. I'm always old mentally. Oo, I always, kasi siguro, I grew up na kasama ko yung mga aunties ko. Oo, and my aunties, I have aunties na nasa 50s, 60s,
Yeah.
gano'n na. So, sanay ako makipag-usap sa,
Sa mga,
medyo
mature.
naunang ipinanganak sa akin. Ayan, so, ganun, medyo mature. And the same with Don, Apa.
Yeah,
Kasi
I
you grew up
totally-
with all your cousins and
Yeah, older
uncles.
than me. Kaya okay ako makipag-usap sa
Oo,
mga
ganun.
older than me.
Oo.
Yeah. Oh, sorry pala sa mga sa mga
Well,
sinasabi
oo.
ko. Pero
Oo.
kadalasan,
I think,
hindi ko
oo.
naman
Yeah,
naman
lahat.
lahat.
But
yes.
yes, so like totoo din naman yung mga sinabi mo. And then, yun nga, yung pag nagkaanak ka na nga siguro.
Tsaka mo
Yung
lang
nagsettle.
maiisip na, teka, yung anak ko lumalaki, kailangan din, di ba usually kasi pag may mga community events, may mga presentations.
Yes.
So doon mo makikita, or doon mo ma-appreciate yung community dahil doon sa mga anak mo, gusto mo silang ipakita din.
Oh,
May talent
yeah.
sila,
Yeah.
para
And
mag-enjoy
then yung
din.
culture,
And then
makita
the-
nila
And
Filipino.
then the culture.
Yes. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Ang daldal ng asawa mo. So yun nga, yun din yung sa amin ni Don na gusto namin na yung mga anak namin is, hey, we bring you to parties, Filipino parties na hindi tayo nag-iisa. Na eto meron tayong mga kakulay,
Yes.
'di ba? Mga kalahi na eto yung way na we party, we are organized chaos. Yun di ba? Tayo. Ganon tayo eh. Philippines is like that. Filipinos are like that. We party, ang ingay, magulo, but masaya.
Masaya. Yeah.
Di ba? Ganon eh.
I think yan ang kaibahan natin.
Yes.
Yeah.
So pag ang party mo hindi maingay, tahimik, hindi yan
Hindi
masaya.
party. Yeah.
Boring
Yeah.
para sa atin
Oo.
yun.
Yeah,
Pero
oo.
pag ang bata dyan may nauntog, nadulas, nag-iingay, masaya.
Yun, ano natin sa
Oo,
Pilipinas.
ganon.
Yeah.
Oo. Ayun.
So, maganda rin talaga at yun nga, nakapunta tayo sa Pinaan.
And we're really happy ate
Happy
you invited
talaga.
us to your beautiful
Yes,
home.
of course.
Oo.
Oh, thank you
Ang
very
ganda-ganda
much.
ng bahay ni ate.
Maarte lang ako.
No, it's
Display
nice to
house
be
po
maarte.
ito.
Yes.
Pagka nagpunta kayo dito.
Oo. Oo.
Ginawa lahat ni Tom yan.
Wow, amazing ha, DIY.
Yun sa
I mean,
alcove.
handyman. Si Tom.
Handyman,
Yes.
yes. No, it's a beautiful house, ate. Very cozy.
Yeah.
And then,
Thank you.
and beautiful food. Delicious
Of
food.
course, yeah.
Oo, ang sarap.
Mauulit ito.
Mauulit.
Of course, yes. You're
Yes,
always
yes,
welcome to the
ate.
house.
And then really, thank you. Thank
Oh,
you
you're
sa
welcome and
pag-invite
thank
sa
you.
amin.
Thank you. Ako
Thank you
mag-thank
very
you. kasi matagal nyo akong in-invite and then hindi rin ako makapunta.
Oo. And it's nice to gain friends.
Oh,
Alam mo
yes
yan,
naman.
di ba,
Yeah.
ate?
Oo.
Also, thank you talaga.
Kahit mataas.
Wala, no,
Wala.
age doesn't matter, ate.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
it's nice to meet someone na parang brothers and sisters, yung ganun, and yung magkaroon ka ng kaibigan sa
Yeah.
ibang lugar, yung mga ganyan. And we're Filipinos, so it's really nice.
Oh, thank you.
Oo.
Thank you
Thank
din
you.
at na-interview ako ng sikat na
Oh.
Yes.
Thank you very much, ate.
Yes, thank
And,
you.
very
Thank you
much.
for everything,
Hanggang sa
ate.
ulitin.
Thank
And
you so much.
yeah, mga kababayan, ladies and gents, next time ulit tayo magkikita-kita at alam nyo na kung saan. Dito sa
Tara!
Ate, let's talk. Yeah.
Again, wala ko, let's talk.
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Ay, sarap niya ko. Yes,
Oh,
I
wow.
cooked them and then maybe I went to bed at 2:30 this morning.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, thank you.
Laura! You're bothering Ate. We're gonna check the man cave here, guys.
San Miguel.
San Miguel.
Which one would be the oldest?
Oh, this.
Oh, wow.
100 years old. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. And how long have you been collecting
I don't know.
mugs, glasses, and all?
Maybe 3 years. Something
3 years. Only 3 years?
Wow.
Only 3 years.
Imagine, only 3 years.
Only 3 years.
No more space, Tom.
Oh, that's the problem.